Hello students, topic for today's lecture is Transplantation of Human Organs Act 1994 Introduction. So, first is what is transplantation of human organs? Whenever we transplant any organ of the human body to another person to save his or her life is said as transplantation. So, this act basically serves as the primary legislation that governs the process of organ donation and organ transplantation in India. The legislation called the Transplantation of Human Organ Act as THOA, which was passed in India in the year of 1994 for organ donation and transplantation activities, and it contains basically 7 chapters. Then what happens, this act provides the rules and regulations for the removal or transplanting the human organ, for their prevention and for the commercial dealings in the human organs. This act also gives us the detailed provision that is relating to the authority for removal of the human organs, and basically it allows there are the rules and regulation mentioned which allows the doctor to remove the organ of a particular person to save another's life, or to save his life rather. And after that, after removing that organ, this organ is preserved so that it should not be destroyed, it should not get bad effect, right? Then what happened, the main functions of the act is under the hands of appropriate authority, and the registration of hospitals and the punishment, and there are certain penalties for the offences who commit these types of offences. The Government of India enacted the Human of Organs Amendment Act 2011, and the title name was changed to Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissues Act 1994. This also allows swiping of organs, and which widens the door and pool by including the grandparents and grandchildren in the list. The rules were notified in 2014. This act also regulates the hospital wherever removal, storage or transplantation of human organs are taking place, and this is constituted by the appropriate authority, and this appropriate authority is being assisted by a advisory committee, right? Then the act mandates the appointment of a transplant coordinator in every registered hospital. This act also directs for the setting up of a national network for coordination of several registered hospitals and maintenance of a bank of organs for of the donors, right? Thank you.